in 2013. It is this home that Baba here agreed to come to shake hands with Uhuru Kenyatta after the Supreme Court had upheld his declaration. It is this home on Easter Monday that Baba agreed to come. And I remember praying extensively that day, because I said, I am such a blessed man in this home and my family to have 10 million plus Kenyans in my home. I felt very blessed. It is here that a peace direction was accepted and have progressed forward to Uhuru's own acceptance of leadership in 2013. So he is my father, who has been here for the last 72 hours. So in this home has been a very privileged base for a lot of what has happened, and blessings most importantly for my family. It is this home again that the same regime has come to desecrate, come to destroy, for only one purpose, and it is political. My support for Baba here, which is unwavering and unshaken, and they will not dissuade us from the path that we have chosen. It is my democratic right, and those of every Kenyan, to choose and support in whichever manner they can, legally and peacefully, whoever they want. It is unfortunate that you get victimized for it. This victimization is small in comparison to peaceful demonstrations in this country, where people are being shot. For what? Even holding a rock is not a crime. You can be picked up for it. Why is it answered with a live bullet? It is so unfortunate what is going on here. And I want to thank all of you, the media, my family, my very good friends who have supported my family. I want to say my lawyers who have done an amazing job, starting with Jim Orengo and Willis Otieno, who hasn't slept all this time. Mule Otenre has also been there. And most importantly, I want to say categorically, if it was not for Baba, I don't know where some of my family members would be today. I don't know where some of my family members would have been today. The aggression I am told the police had on this home and on my family, including my aging father, were untold, completely untold. Baba came in at the right time. My wife can't stop crying because he stopped them in their tracks. When they were desecrating this home. And it is because of that they have backed off this morning and told, after they had threatened to lay another siege, they had come here and told with a few more GSU men, and they had said that they must come here by 8 o'clock. But because of Baba and all of the good supporters who are here and outside, they decided to leave. The law to them was irrelevant. This was a stage-managed thing from beginning, and they wanted to execute it no matter what. We want to thank you again for your prayers, and thanks very much. Baba, please.
No, not really. No, I just want to say thank you very much indeed for all of you. When we came here 3 days ago, we knew we were up to a very big task, and God is great because with all your support, and this guy here, don't forget him. This guy is a hard worker, all the way to where is Willis? Willis has been with us for all that time, and most important, you guys who are not married, get married. This girl has been with those scavenging people. Every corner they've gone to with goodies. She's been unable to sleep for all those 3 days. And as I say, if you are not married, get married. Now. Otherwise, thank you very much indeed for all of you, the media, the leaders from this country. You have shown there is a difference between politics and family. There is a difference between being a human person and a politician. The two must never be confused. And I'm afraid in this instance, I didn't see the difference. In fact, I saw people. Can you imagine a whole lawyer like of the name and seniority of James Orengo barred out their hours? Not because he's coming from you, just to come and deliver a court order. A court order of which the officer in charge had a copy, would not allow him in, even when RAILA himself was allowed in. There was a big quarrel. Why did you allow him in? This is a private home. This is not a public place. And we have the choice as to whom we admit into the house or not.
Yes.
You can't, you the policeman, you the IG included, cannot choose whom we allow into our own house. And unfortunately, those differences have not been made in this instance. I think it's a regret. I hope it's a lesson for this nation, or for Africa in general, because I think you can take politics too far, where you forget every of us have a soul to live on. So otherwise, thank you very much, all of you, and we are grateful for all that you have done.
Fellow Kenyans, we stand here in this home of our brother and friend and his wonderful wife, Jimmy Wanjigi, on a very regrettable note. I want to remind